lovelies, I have been busy typing on my laptop all day trying to finish another book. So I think I have more than earned a little drink. Hello, my lovelies. I am Madam Crystal Butterfly, and if you have been loving all of these videos, I keep on rolling on out. Please, leave me a little comment. And if you have not yet, slap the subscribe button like it owes your money. And don't forget to give that little notification bell a ring. All right, there's enough of the dilly to the dally. Let's get ourselves a little wine. All right, my lovelies, these are the two wines that I will be tasting. The first is an Italian wine called Stella Rosa, and I got the Stella Rosa pineapple when I was in the grocery store because it looked really good. And as you can see, I got it in the can. And I did that because Stella Rosa, I'd heard about it from my friends, but I've never had it before. So I thought it was wise to get it in the can, so if I don't likes it, then, I won't be wasting an entire bottle. But if I do like it, well, then I need to go out and get me a bottle. The next wine is a new wine that I just learned about called Gaze. And I got their green Tea Mescato since, I don't think I have actually done a wine tasting without a Moscato. But anyway, I was watching the Home Shopping Network. The Gaze wine spoke to me. And I admit I was hesitant to buy it at first. Not out of me thinking it might taste bad, but because I knew if I bought it, then I would have to deal with FedEx delivering it. Thankfully, I did not have the same problem with FedEx that I did the last time I ordered wine from QVC. So I guess they're getting their delivery stuff more on the balls so people don't have to call them 15 times looking for their order. I didn't call 15 times, but still, I shouldn't have even had to call twice. Anyway, time to taste this wine and see if I love it or I hate it. All right, to the first wine, the Stella Rosa pineapple. Okay. Just gonna pour a little bit. I like it. I don't know if I'm going to race out to get a bottle of it, but I do indeed like it. Yeah, definitely really good. So I'm giving it an it's tasty rating. Because I do like that. It's good, but I'm not in love with it. Either way, it got an it's tasty rating because it is good and I would definitely drink this again. All right, quick little sippy sip of this water that I use as a palate cleanser. Now I am going to open the Gaze wine. And I didn't mention this before, but something I really like about this Gaze wine is the container it comes in is just super cute. And I think even after I finish it, I will be able to keep this bottle and use it for other things, maybe even like a little travel water bottle. I'm not sure yet, but it does look like I can use it for that. And y'all have to admit, this is really, really cute. The covering is just flowery and has this whole spring look, which is a very beautiful look to have. Anyway, let me open up this Gaze wine. Okay. And my lovelies, actually there's a little bit of the last one in here. Anyway, my lovelies, I'm going to actually be pouring this at an angle. A lot of times with drinks, this one isn't fizzing, but a lot of times with drinks, you want to pour it a little bit more at an angle in your glass, just so it doesn't fizz as badly. That way you have more of the drink. All right, time for this Gaze Green Tea Mescato. Well, my lovelies, it wasn't bad, but wasn't that great. But it's still kind of tasty, so it's getting that it's tasty rating. But the Gaze wine, how I feel about it is that it has a pretty flat taste, and I know green tea can a lot of times have a flat taste, but this does have a really flat taste, but it's not a really bad taste. Let me give it one more sip. Now the taste is flat. It's not as pungent as the previous one I had, because that had a nice pop of pineapple flavor. This just tastes kind of flat, but it doesn't taste bad. There's a little bit of a nice flavor, but it's really, really weak. So it still gets a it's tasty rating, but I do not think I will be getting the Gaze Green Tea Mescato again. Anyway, with that, this video is a wrap. So my lovelies, if you please, come with me as we dance into a world of magic.